Hey guys, today I'm going to make a home screen widget tutorial for all Samsung phones. If you're using any Samsung phone or you want to use widgets to your home screen, so let's see how we can do that. Just keep a long press on your home screen and then select widgets. And here you must have to select widget which you want to add. And I'm going to add something from here. Just select the widget. And I'm going to add this one. You can easily select it, just tap on it, then tap on add option and it will be added to your home screen. So here's the second way. Just keep a long press on your empty place, select widgets. This time I'm going to add a Google widget. Just select Google, then select the widget, and then press and hold and move it to your home screen. So that's how you can easily use home screen widgets in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.